Haircuts make the world go round.
Haircuts make the world go round. I'm gonna see if I can do it like that. Haircuts make the world go round. They tell me your swag ain't shit if you feel me. If your haircut ain't really appealing, shit, give it up, boy. It's two things a bitch look at: the way your hair's cut and your foot game. If you got weak boots on, though, they ain't really trying to fuck with your ass, bro. And if your fade ain't nice, slightly to the side, your Steve Harvey hairline is really off night, shit, they ain't even gonna speak to you, bro. So let me tell you about the haircut, bro, Shit, got a salon, do it all well. Niggas in trouble, but I'm not gonna tell. I'ma keep cutting and let them slide in and out. Dope money cutting hair, that's what the fuck I'm about. And I'ma keep it real to the fact, all these other rappers in salons can't even jack with Wojak. They all talking trash about my face. They all talking trash about my motherfucking ways. But how the fuck is a salon gonna be supreme to a king in the barbershop game? Nah, me, nigga, I can run this shit, and I can do it better. Come and fuck with your boy, and I'll change the cheddar. My beats are skipping, but I'm still on beat. You see how I do it? I'm really a freak. I'll snatch your bitch in a second and run.